Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create leads at pipedrive.com in 2022. So let's start by logging in, obviously, and this is our dashboard. I created this account just for this reason to to show you how it's done without going through all the unnecessary things. So let's go to the left corner, and straight away the first option here is leads. We have leads inbox, live chat, chatbot, web forms, prospector, or web visitor, which is really nice for free trial for 14 days. But we are interested in leads inbox. At the moment, in this account, we have no leads at all. So what we have to do? We are going to add a lead, or we have import lead. It's very important, or it will help a lot if you already have some contacts going on in your company, in your Pipedrive account. So let's go with add lead. Now it wants the contact person. Let's go with the one we already added, Marcus Blue. He is a member of organization called Rocket Company. Title, Rocket Company lead. Value, let's go with 100,000 euros. It can be dollars, obviously, and all the currencies in the world you can possibly imagine. Labels, it can be hot, warm, or cold lead. Let's go with hot lead. Visible to, owner only, owner's visibility group, which you can asset, and then owners group and subgroups, or entire company. Let's go with entire company. Right now, Marcus Blue has no phone added to his name or no email address, but that's completely fine. If you're creating the contacts, you can easily basically add more leads into the accounts. So yeah, you know, all we have to do is press save. And as you can see, in these leads, we have, this is a new account, so I have to click out all the things. We have a new lead, or the one we actually created manually, is a Rocket Company. At the moment, no activity. We can add a note. We can basically schedule a meeting and many more other things. Also, we can convert it to deal, archive it, or delete it. So that's about it. That's basically how you can create a lead in Pipedrive 2022. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.